With which of the following was Satyajit Ray associated? Answer is D. Film direction. When was the first Union Budget of India presented? Answer is A. 1947. Which gas is released when water is added to bleaching powder? Answer is C. Chlorine. What is the minimum age laid down for a candidate to seek election to the Lok Sabha? Answer is B. 25. Scurvy is caused due to the deficiency of. Answer is D. Vitamin C. In vermiculture, the worm use is. Answer is D. Earthworm. Who among the following wrote the book A Nation in Making? Answer is C. Surendranath Banerjee. The ozone layer protects us from harmful rays of the sun. Answer is D. Ultraviolet. The outermost range of the Himalayas is called dash. Answer is B. Shivalik Range. The longest river in Peninsular India is dash. Answer is B. Godavari. Dronacharya Award is given for. Answer is C. Coaches. Winter Olympics 2026 will be hosted by which of the following countries? Answer is D. Italy. The first woman to become a Chief Minister of an Indian state in India was. Answer is C. Sucheta Kripalani. The first Defence Minister of India was. Answer is C. Baldev Singh. Where is the headquarters of the World Health Organization? Answer is A. Geneva, Switzerland. The author of the book Zest for Life is. Answer is B. Emily Zola. Salt March, also known as Dandi March, was initiated by dash. Answer is B. Mahatma Gandhi. The Chauri Chaura incident took place in. Answer is C. 1922. The first biosphere reserve that was set up in India in 1986 is. Answer is B. Nilgiris. Soap bubble attains spherical shape due to dash. Answer is C. Surface tension. Do or die is associated with which of the movement in India's freedom struggle? Answer is D. Quit India movement. Name the first person to sail around the world. Answer is A. Ferdinand Magellan. Oscar awards are associated with dash. Answer is B. Films. Who is the father of economics? Answer is D. Adam Smith. Who became the 12th Chief Minister of Meghalaya? Answer is A. Conrad Sangma. When did Meghalaya become a full-fledged state of India? Answer is B. 21st January 1972. How many divisions are there in Meghalaya? Answer is A. 3. How many districts are there in Meghalaya? Answer is C. 12. Which is the largest district of Meghalaya? Answer is D. West Khasi Hills. Which is the smallest district of Meghalaya? Answer is C. Southwest Garo Hills.